Very good morning, children. I'm your SJ sir. Here we go with the third volume of the chapter Internal Reconstruction. Consider this question number 3. A company limited made arrangements for its reconstruction. The shareholders had agreed to receive the following in exchange for 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 100 each held by them. Implying here there are 1 lakh equity shares. So 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each held by them. 1 lakh into 10 each, that gives you 10 lakhs. So totally 10 lakhs equity share capital is there, out of which the following amounts are being received by them. In exchange for this 10 lakhs, they are receiving these three amounts. Which are the amounts that they are receiving? Fully paid equity shares to the extent of 2/5 of their present holdings with the same face value. Again, 5% preference shares to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity shares as per condition A, and 6% debentures of rupees 1,60,000. ಈಗ ಇದಿಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. That is for reduction in the share capital. Equity share capital account debit, that is a old one. Give a credit to all these amounts. Is still any difference that will be transferred to capital reserve account. That is amount foregone by them. Then here there is one more. Further, the company issued debentures of rupees 1 lakh to the public, and the company received the amount in cash. This is additional entry for issuing the debentures. So simple entry here, bank account debit, give a credit to debentures account. So that is the entry that you need to pass here, because cash is an asset which is coming into the business and debentures are the liabilities which is increasing. So hence any liability increases, credit; any asset increases, debit. That is the entry that you need to follow here. Then these are the assets which are being written off. This will be a third entry. Okay. So totally how many entries are there? 3 entries to be passed in this problem. Okay. So let us go for the solution. Check the columns. Coming to the first one about this equity shareholders, need to go for give a debit equity share capital account debit. That's the old one, 1 lakh shares into 10 each. So that gives you 10 lakhs, that right in the debit column. Now these shareholders are getting these amounts in return for their old shares. So which are that? They are getting fully paid equity shares of rupees to the extent of 2/5 of their present holdings. So again ಇದೆ 10 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2/5 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2 equity share capital you can take 10 lakhs into 2 by 5. So that gives you 4 lakhs. Now this is the new equity shares. Next what he says here, point B, 5% preference shares to the extent of 1/5 of the above new equity shares. Above new equity shares in the sense whatever is being mentioned under point A, that implies this amount. So 4 lakhs into 1 by 5 you have to take. That is a 5% preference share capital. So 4 lakhs into 1 by 5, that gives you 80,000. Apart from this, what they are getting? They are getting 6% debentures worth rupees 1,20,000. So that also you can take to 6% debentures account. Now these are the three amounts which they are receiving. If you could notice here, this comes to 6 lakhs. So balance 4 lakhs, that is amount foregone by them, which will be transferred to capital reduction account or reconstruction account. So the balance being transferred there. Hope you have understood this. So be careful here. Why we are taking 4 lakhs? Very clearly given. It is 1/5 of not this total 10 lakhs, but 1/5 of the new equity shares. Okay, new equity shares where we have taken here. So new equity shares are 4 lakhs worth. On that you have to apply 1/5 share. Okay. Now this is the first entry. Coming to the second entry, that is for further issue of debentures. So take a separate entry for this. Further, the company issued debentures of rupees 1 lakh to the public, and the company received the amount in cash. For this, bank account debit, give a credit to debentures account, 6% debentures account. This is the additional debentures being issued. Okay. So here what is happening? Bank is an asset. So asset alli increase agtade. Since there is an increase in the asset, it is being debited. At the same time, debentures is a liability. Okay, outsiders liability which comes. There is an increase even in the debentures. To that extent, amount has to be repaid to them in future course. So hence it is increasing. We have to give a credit to it. That's how the bank account is being debited and debentures are being credited. Alright. So go for it. What is the amount as given there? It is 1 lakh worth. So that amount you can take. 1 lakh you can take. The next entry is for writing off of these assets, whatever is being given. For all this, you have to pass a separate entry now. Bank capital reduction account debit. Here when you take capital reduction account debit, you can find here what is the amount being credited to capital reduction account here? 4 lakhs. That is one. That only you take. No other amounts are there. Credit ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಗಾಗಲೇ ಒಂದೇ amount ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 4 lakhs and give a credit to now. Okay. Which and all the items here you can find goodwill is there. Goodwill amount, how much is that? 4 lakhs. Then apart from that, plant and machinery is there to be written off. How much is that? 3 lakhs. I'm sorry. Goodwill 4 lakhs was to be reduced to 3 lakhs. So 4 minus 3. Balance you will be getting 1 lakh. Similarly, machinery to be reduced from 2 lakhs to 1,50,000. So 2 lakhs is there. Adana 1,50,000 reduced money. So what is the difference there? By 50,000 is written off. Leasehold property to be reduced from 3 lakhs to 2,50,000. So allino 50,000 rupees reduce madಬೇಕು. Goodwill alli 1 lakh. Then machinery alli 50,000. Then leasehold property ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 50,000 reduce ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So that you can take. So difference amount will be transferred to the capital reserve account. So this is what I said. Goodwill, only the difference amount. How much is the difference? 4 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. So how much it comes to? 1 lakh. Then machinery you can find 2 lakhs to 1,50,000. The difference you are getting 50,000. Similarly, leasehold property from 3 lakhs to 2,50,000. So that also gives you 50,000. So in total, these are the 3 amounts which are being reduced, and still the difference you are getting, that is being transferred to an account called as a capital reserve account. That is the final difference. Okay. So this is the answer that you need to follow for this question. You can write down, pause it down, and you can write down. Yes, you write goodwill account, that is enough. Similar is the problem. This you please work out by yourself. You can find here the shareholders had agreed to receive the following in exchange for 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Ali 1 lakh kottidde, ali 50 kottidane. Adike badalagi these 3 amounts they are getting. So you can do that. Again, further 5% debentures of rupees 50,000 had been issued to the public antane. Idakke separate entry bariri. Itara bank account debit to debentures account. Then here these are the amounts which are being written off. Okay, so ultimately the difference you are going to get 2,50,000. That is the answer what I have given. Same 3 entries you have to pass for this. It is complete. That is your homework problem. Well, next you can consider this question. Question number 5. Chandru Limited resorted to internal reconstruction. The scheme was as under. So you are given here. There are 4 points being given. For each and every point you have to give a separate entry here. 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid to be converted into 40,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. ಏನಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 rupees equity share ಅಂತದ್ದು 10 rupees value, it is being converted or reduced to 5 rupees each. Okay, so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು separate entry pass ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ 4,000 12% preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid to be converted into 40,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ separate entry. Then 615% debentures of rupees 1000 each to be discharged by the issue of 80,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. Discharged implies it is being repaid ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So debentures ನ ವಾಪಸ್ repayment ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. By how? It is being repaid by issue of a equity shares. Okay. Then the amount so available be appropriated to write off the following. Appropriated here taken to mean be used anta. So whatever the credit amount that you get in the capital reduction account will be made used to write off these assets. Now we shall go for a journal entries. Check the columns one after the other. Take the first entry. Equity share capital account debit. This is the old one. Aita old ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 80,000 shares into 10 each ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 80,000 shares into 10 each. So that gives you 8 lakhs. Give a credit to. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ 40,000 equity shares ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರ ರೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 rupees. So give a credit to equity share capital account, that is a new. Okay, 40,000 shares into 5. So that gives you 2 lakhs. Then what happened to the balance then 6 lakhs ಏನಾಯ್ತು? That is amount that they are sacrificing, foregoing. So that will be transferred to one account called as a capital reduction account. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಇದು capital reduction account ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದದು? 6 lakhs. That is the difference. How you are getting that? 8 lakhs minus 2 lakhs. So balance you are getting 6 lakhs. This is entry number 1. Coming to this. Now, old preference shares are there. They are also being converted into 40,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each fully paid. Otherwise, they are settled with how many number of shares? 40,000 equity shares are being given to them. So, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರೀ equity shares ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, 40,000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ old ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 4,000 shares into 100 each. 100 each there. So 4,000 shares into 100 each, that gives you 4 lakhs. Give a credit to again equity share capital account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40,000 shares into 5 each ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that gives you 2 lakhs. In a balance 2 lakhs amount foregone by them, that will be transferred to capital reduction account. Alright. Next, what you have to do, go for a third entry. You can find here 615% debentures of rupees 1,000 each to be discharged by the issue of 80,000 equity shares of rupees 5 each. So older debentures, you take 15% debentures, 600 debentures into 1,000. So that gives you 6 lakhs. What is being paid to them? They are being paid a equity share capital again. Okay, 80,000 shares into 5 each. So that gives you 4 lakhs. Still there is a difference of 2 lakhs. And that 2 lakhs is being transferred to capital reduction account. Okay. Now, from all the three, that is from the equity shareholders, from the preference shareholders, as well as from the debentures, there is a reduction, there is a surrender being made, there is a sacrifice being made. Such amounts is being taken here. That is 6 lakhs worth plus 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. Totally 10 lakhs worth of capital reduction account is there now. Okay, that is the amount being available to write up the various assets. Go for the fourth entry. Now you give a debit of capital reduction account. ಇದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಆ 10 lakhs ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಇದೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ there is a credit of 6 lakhs, there is a credit of 2 lakhs here, and there is a credit of 2 lakhs only for capital reduction account. So that you add up 6 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 2 lakhs, that gives you 10 lakhs. Now which are the assets to be written off? That is given here. To write off profit and loss account 4 lakhs, goodwill to be written off to extent of 2 lakhs, and plant and machinery 1,50,000. E amounts third. Plant and machinery, profit and loss account 4 lakhs, that is a debit balance given. Goodwill account 2 lakhs ide, and machinery 1,50,000. But if you see, the debit balance is more. I mean to say 10 lakhs which is being credited to capital reduction account is more, but these amounts which are being written off are less. So still difference you are going to get, and that difference is being transferred to one account called as a capital reserve account. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಡೌನ್. and you can write down the answer. Then you can consider question number 6. So you can go for it. Prepare the capital reduction account from the following transactions in connection with the internal reconstruction. So here we shall take like this. Prepare the capital reduction account from the following informations in connection with the internal reconstruction, and also pass a journal entries. So you are asked to pass the journal entries. Here 30,000 equity shares of ₹10 each is being fully paid, reduced to 5 each fully paid. So there is a reduction of ₹5 here. 309% debentures of ₹1,000 each converted into 1,512% debentures of ₹100 each. So not direct reduction, there is a conversion. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಟ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಆವಾಗ ನೀವು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿನೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Then we'll see that entry how to pass. The debit balance of profit and loss account 1,50,000 and preliminary expenses 30,000 should be written off. Along with that, there is a reduction even in the assets. So these items will be taken on debit side of a capital reduction account, while these two items will be taken on credit side of a capital reduction account. So go for a capital reduction account first. I've been telling you any reduction, decrease in the value of a liability will be taken always on the credit side. Wherein if there is any decrease in the value of an asset will be taken on debit side. Okay, that will be taken on debit side. Now from the first 2 points A and B, the amounts need to be taken on credit side. So you can take on credit side by equity share capital, but how much amount you have to take? Not this amount, it is a balance amount. It is being reduced to, I have been telling you, 2 anta kottaga, that is amount to be taken in the balance sheet otherwise. So how much is balance foregone? Say here ₹5 is there, ₹10 is there. Okay, illi ₹5 foregone ide, I mean to say reduced ide, hagagi balance also ₹5 only you will get. Supposing here if ₹6 should have been given, you should have taken here the balance ₹4. Now that is what I am doing here by equity share capital account. So 30,000 shares into ₹5. Which is this ₹5 that you please understand? It is not this ₹5, it is the balance ₹5. That is what I said. If ₹6 should have been here, you should have not taken ₹6 here. The balance ₹4 you should have taken. That is what is the balance amount I am taking here. So that gives you 1,50,000. That is amount foregone by them. Only foregone amount will come in the capital reduction account. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇದೆ capital reduction account ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ see 2,000 is the amount wherein it is being reduced to. What is amount foregone by them? 6 lakhs is foregone by them. That is being transferred to the capital reduction account. That is what we are taking here. Only the foregone amount you have to take here. Okay. Similarly, you can find 309% debentures of ₹1,000 each converted into 1,500 debentures of ₹100 each. So how to take entry for that? You can see 9% debentures old. You can see how much was there? 300 debentures into 1,000. So that gives you 3 lakhs was there earlier. Okay. In that, new debentures are given. How many? 1,500 debentures of ₹100 each is being given to them. Okay. So in that 3 lakhs minus this 1,50,000 which is given to them newly, the balance is the amount foregone by them, sacrificed by them. So that comes to 1,50,000. Now total amount available to write off the assets is 3 lakhs thereby. Okay. So now you can take the other amounts to be written off to profit and loss account. How much is up to be written off? 1,50,000. Then preliminary expenses that you take, that also being written off completely, 30,000. Plant and machinery reduced, 60,000. Then stock is reduced by 30,000. Okay. Now if you find the total, it is more on credit side, it is 3 lakhs, but debit side you are getting a difference. The difference is transferred to an account called as a capital reduction account. Okay. So this is the way how you have to prepare a cap reduction account. Alright. So go for a journal entries next. Take this first journal entry, point A as per that. So 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid reduced to 5 each fully paid. So what you have to do, take the equity share capital first as old, that is 30,000 shares into 10 each. Take in the debit column 3 lakhs, give a credit to, again equity share capital account, new 30,000 shares into 5 each, reduced to ಅಂತ so 5 each, that is the amount 1,50,000. So balance is how much? Balance is 1,50,000, which is being transferred to capital reduction account. That is what we have taken here. Alright, that is being transferred to capital reduction account. So next you can go for a next entry here about the debentures. So 309% debentures of rupees 1,000 each converted into 1,512% debentures of rupees 100 each. Ili nodi, if you could observe the notes part I have given you here for reducing debentures or creditors. See, debentures account debit to capital reduction account with the amount of foregone amount. But here I have given you one note, if you could remember. In case debenture holders accept for a new debentures of different denomination, this is very important, or different rate. These two words are important. Different denomination or different rate. Then compulsory you have to pass entry like this, wherein debentures account debit, that is the old one, give a credit to debentures account new to capital reduction account. Alright. When you would have used this entry, supposing in the same problem, assume wherein it was given 309% debentures of rupees 1,000 each reduced to rupees 500. Ashte kottidane, reduced to rupees 500. Avaginaito rate is the same. Aita, bari 100 rupees na estek reduce ಮಾಡ್ತಾರದ್ದು 500. ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ ನೀವು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆವಾಗನೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Otherwise, debenture holders accepted to forego 200 rupees ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ you have to pass this particular entry. ಆವಾಗ ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನದು 9% debentures account to capital reduction account, whatever the amount foregone. But when there is a change in the denomination or there is a change in the rate, ಈ problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is a change in both. See, 1,000 debentures earlier, that is a denomination, now reduced to 100 rupees each. So there is a change in denomination. At the same time, you can find there is a change even in the rate. Earlier it was 9%, now it is 12%. So definitely in this case, you have to pass compulsorily this particular entry. Okay. So how to pass an entry now? So take the old debentures account, that is 9% debentures. What is the amount? 9% debentures, that is 3 lakhs. Give a credit to 12% debentures. This is the new debentures. 1,500 debentures into 100 each. That gives you 1,50,000. Now still there is a difference of 1,50,000 that is being transferred to capital reduction account. That is what I have done here. Old 3 lakhs ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 1,50,000. ಸೊ 3 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,50,000 ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 1,50,000 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇರೋಂತ. Then go for a next. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ 2 ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವೆರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು 3 lakhs. ನೌ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ 3 lakhs, ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಮೆಷಿನರಿ, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅಪ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. Well, the balance we shall see in the next class. Thank you.